I'm not one of them.
Stop the fight!
No! You all need to see this. They're not who we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I did